What's up everyone, welcome back to Recipe Magic. Since Easter is right around the corner, it's the perfect time to hit the kitchen and bake this traditional Easter bundt cake. This chocolate bundt cake is one of my favorite go-to Easter recipes which I love to make. It's super fun to decorate as well, perfect for Easter with Cadbury eggs hiding right around it. Easter is just the perfect occasion to bake this cake, and let's get started right away. First of all, you just want to add some dry ingredients in a large bowl. It's all-purpose flour, some baking soda, baking powder and unsweetened cocoa powder. Whisk it all together until the dry ingredients are combined through. Next, we are going to pour in some melted unsalted butter and some granulated sugar. Next, you're going to add the eggs here. Remember to add the eggs one at a time. First, I'll add 2 large eggs and then use a handheld mixer or a stand mixer to beat it until the batter gets combined. Then gradually add 2 more eggs and beat until the cake batter gets ready. However, remember to not overmix the cake batter. It's really easy to mess up this important step. Otherwise, your cake will be very dry and chewy. And you can see how ribbony my cake batter looks. This is exactly how you need your cake batter to be for making the perfect bundt cake. Next, grease and dust a cake pan with some butter and dust with some flour all around it so that no crumbs stick to it while the cake gets baked. And pour the bundt cake mixture into the bundt cake mold and even it out using the bat of a spatula, and preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and bake this bundt cake for 45 minutes. And once this cake gets ready, this is how it looks. Once it gets cooled down, you just want to gently demold it so that nothing gets stuck to the bottom of the pan. And there you go, you can see how easy and delicious this one looks. Now we are going to make a quick sugar icing for it. I'm going to combine some confectioner sugar with some milk. And once the icing looks thick enough, you just want to drizzle it evenly over your baked and cool bundt cake. Once you've distributed it evenly all around it, your bundt cake is ready and just perfect for Easter right into day in. Decorate with some pastel colored sprinklers and this one will be ready to serve. I'll also decorate with some Cadbury Easter eggs because that's what makes Easter so special, right? This is one of my go-to favorite Easter recipes which I love to decorate. It's super easy to decorate as well. You can serve it for birthdays or anniversaries as well. You can just alter the decoration as per your need. You can also add a chocolate frosting on top as well. The best part about bundt cake is it's perfect to feed the crowd. Just one cake and you can cut it into slices and serve it to everyone. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe with me. If you liked watching this recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this recipe. You can find the full recipe and all the alterations in the description box below. Have a great Easter everyone.